Can you please confirm? Am I audible? I request everyone to respond. Yes, please confirm. Am I audible? Yes, good evening, friends. Welcome to DURGASOFT and welcome to logic based programming course. So this is nothing but batch number 2. Okay, so already successfully we are running the first batch. Okay, so this is nothing but the second batch which we are planning. Okay, so myself, so Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience. Okay, so in various programming languages and especially in Java and Python. So coming to our course details. So here the course is nothing but logic based programming. Our course is nothing but logic based programming, and the duration, okay, the duration of this course is nothing but almost we are going to discuss this entire course in 2 months. Okay, so total duration of this course is nothing but 2 months. Next, sir, tentatively, how many programs we are going to cover in this? Sir, almost we are going to cover 400 plus programs in this entire course period. Then the timings of this course is nothing but, sir, every day from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we have a session. Okay, then sir, all the doubts will be clarified. Okay, you can able to unmute and you can able to speak in during the sessions. And coming to the running notes, sir, running notes will be shared up to date. Okay, then recorded sessions will be given for you with 6 months access. You are going to get 6 months access for these recording sessions. Okay, this is nothing but what is our course agenda. And here for every problem, okay, what is our pattern of programming is nothing but for every problem we are going to discuss these things. What is the first thing that we are going to discuss is nothing but problem statement. Yeah, please.
Sir, you said programs are 400 place. What type of programs you are going to teach for us?
Yeah,
Like,
please. Yeah, definitely I will explain. Please wait for a few minutes. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, so first thing is nothing but here we are going to see problem statement. Okay, problem statement. Suppose consider we have a small problem is there, like I want to calculate addition of two numbers. It is nothing but a simple problem. So we are going to discuss first of all what is a problem statement. And sir, what are all the inputs required for this problem? Maybe assume I want to calculate sum of the digits in the given number. For example, if the number is like this, I want to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and I need to display the sum of these values. Or sometimes my requirement is to add all even numbers like 2 plus 4. Sir, I have to display the result. Okay, sir, sometimes I want to add all the odd digits. Okay, all the odd digits, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5, like this I want to add. So in such a case my result is nothing but 9. So such a type of information I want to print. If it is the case, sir, then what are all the possible inputs that we have, we need to take here. Okay, then after completion of this we are going to analyze what is the output of this problem. Sir, while solving this problem, what kind of constraints are required? Constraints in the sense we can say it is a condition. What kind of conditions we have to frame, okay, to solve this problem. And we will give some sample public test cases. Okay, we are going to give some public test cases, that is what is the input and what is the output. that we are going to get here. Okay, next, sir, after completion of this, you need to submit the code. We will give a platform, so where we are going to submit the code. Sir, once if you submit your code, then it is going to run against all the private test cases. Some hidden test cases will be given. So for all these private test cases, it is going to be executed. If everything is okay, then successfully your code is submitted into that portal. So you can able to see even leaderboard position also. Sir, for this, what kind of tool we are going to use is nothing but hacker rank tool. Okay, sir, I will explain how it will be and all these things, don't worry at all. Then, sir, coming to the syllabus, what kind of things we are going to discuss in this? Just I will show you the syllabus pattern. Have a look once. It is already there in our website. Just have a look once. So this is nothing but the link what we have. So in this you can able to see what content we are going to cover. Okay, but anyway, sir, tentatively what information we are going to explain for you people is nothing but this is the syllabus. This is nothing but the syllabus. Okay, so first we are going to see the basic programs, and then control flow statements, that is the programs on if conditions, the programs on looping statement, that is how the for loop is going to execute, how while loop is going to execute. All these things we are going to explain. And then, so arrays. Okay, so one dimensional, two dimensional arrays, matrices, all these things we are going to discuss in this second spell. Then programs on strings. Sir, maximum 150 programs will be there only on strings. And then programs on numbers. So what is mean by palindrome number, reverse of the number, sum of the digits, okay, lucky number, okay, happy number, like this we have n number of n number of programs will be there on these numbers. Then equations. So I will explain how it will be. Okay, quadratic equations, all these things we can able to solve distance between the points, like this. So searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, so mathematical related functionalities, data structures, not that much in detail, but basic data structures we are going to cover. So patterns, sequences, operators, programs on operators, and basic algorithms. This is nothing but the tentative category of programs, but inside that n number of things will be there. Okay, so this is nothing but about introduction to our course. Yes, now if you are having any queries, yes, you can ask. Yes, please go ahead. Any queries up to this?
Uh, yeah, hey, can you listen? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah, hi, Javed this side. Actually, I have one query. I'm doing a Java core class, Nageshwar Rao sir, and
Okay,
so I just want to know because he's also going to start this logic, the whole syllabus of logic. So I
hmm.
mean, is it necessary for me to? I mean, this is different one or that is different one, or I can just stick with the core Java and complete the same thing in the core Java.
Sir,
Or
here we are not going to explain any programming concepts, sir. Here we are concentrating only on programs. So completely from day one to day end, we will discuss
Mhm,
only programs. There won't be any theoretical concepts.
mhm. I just want to one more thing, one more doubt. As I'm not from programming background, I don't have any language knowledge, programming knowledge.
Yeah, yeah,
So I can also grab this, right?
yes, 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 you can.
Okay, okay, sir. Thanks, thank you.
Yeah, and one more thing here, the implementation of these programs, the implementations will be okay on C, Java, and Python. Okay, the implementations will be on these three languages, like C language, Java, and then Python. Yes, any other queries? Yes, please.
And what is the duration of this course?
2 months, sir.
Okay. And the timing is same, 7 to 8, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, where you shared these recorded videos?
We will share in the Google Drive, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, any other queries? Yes, please confirm.
After completing this syllabus, I mean, what all things, I mean, regarding the programming we are able to do? I mean, could you please just explain after completing this
Yeah.
logic-based programming?
Yes. After completion of this logic-based programming, you can able to solve the problems.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. I am fresher. So you are practicing or solving any TCS, NQT, Infosys coding
Yes. Yes.
courses
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
for helpful.
Yeah. Different company papers we are going to solve here. Okay. Yeah. Any other queries?
Sir, fee, sir.
Yeah. The fee structure is nothing but just, yeah, already I have given permissions for you people to speak. Yes, it is already given the permissions. Yes, you can unmute and you can speak. Otherwise, you can post your query on your chat window. Okay, no problem.
Anything today?
Yeah, so here you can able to see the fee is nothing but 999. So these are the contact numbers. For registrations, you can contact to these numbers. Just I am posting these two informations in your chat window. Even I am going to share the syllabus link also.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Sir, how many days this link will be available for us
For what, sir?
for joining this webinar link? How many days it is available for us without paying the fees?
Almost 3 to 4 days, sir.
Okay, fine.
Then they are going to change the link.
Okay.
Sir, change the link, but don't change to the new Google Meet. It's a problem, sir. Here, data here using data is very high, sir. The new Google Meet.
Okay, okay. Yeah, fine. Any other queries related to the content? So let me start with the basic. Just I want to explain. So how to execute the programs. Okay. So how to execute C, Java, and Python program. Just starting basic introduction. Yeah, yeah. You are going to get the recording videos. So let me go with a simple C program. So if I want to print any message on the C, okay. So if I want to print any message, so in C language, sir, how you can implement the program? C implementation. Just I want to print a simple message. So I hope majority of people of from C language just have a look once how it will be. First, we need to include the respective header files. So first I am going to include stdio.h and then integer main function, because the program execution is going to starts from main function. Every program execution is going to starts from main function. Within this, I want to print a message on the screen. Simply I'm going to take printf and we are going to return 0 or 1. That is your choice. This is nothing but a simple message how you can print a message on the screen, which is nothing but a printf. So printf is a function used to print a message on the screen. Output functions. So what is the first one? printf, which is used in C language. Suppose if I want to print a message on C++, sir, you can use the output message called cout, which is an output function which is used to print a message on the screen. Okay, sir, if you want to go with the Java, then system.out.println. This is nothing but a standard format which is used to print a message on Java. Similarly, if I want to print a message on Python, so how you can use? Just we need to take print statement. These are nothing but four different programming languages and its respective concepts to print the message. Okay, then here you can able to see, so this is nothing but the implementation in C language. If the same thing, if I want to implement in Java programming, sir, how you can do? So for this, so a separate skeleton will be there for Java, which is nothing but class name you have to take. Within this, you have to define a main method. So with this syntax, public static void main, okay, string array args. Within this, you need to print a message on the screen. System.out.println of sir may be welcome. Like this we need to take. If it is in Java, suppose if you want to print a message in Python, okay, so I want to print a message in Python. So how you can print the message? Very simple. For that we have a simple function is there called print, by using which we can print a message. Let me execute these three on the screen. Sir, let us see. For C language, I'm going to use a predefined online compiler. So this is nothing but a C language online compiler which we have. Sir, using this, I want to implement my C programs. Okay, sir, now observe here, it is online compiler. Here I am pasting the program. Once if you click on execute button, suppose if your program requires any inputs, you need to pass here. And once if you click on this execute button, whatever you program returned, it will be printed on the output screen. But as is basic program, right, just we are printing welcome message. Just click on execute button and see what will happen. Our welcome message got printed. So this is nothing but the online compiler link which we are using regularly. So in the top of our screen itself, I'm going to take in the running notes, so links, what are all the links that we are going to use? Sir, C online compiler. Okay, C online compiler 1. This is nothing but the link. Sir, still we are going to see so many online compilers. I will paste those links there. Okay, next. Sir, I want to implement a Java program. So if you want to implement a Java program, let us create a Java file first. Okay, so my file is ready. You need to save this file first of all. Where you have to save the file? In the D drive. Sir, I want to save the file. What is the name of the file? Whatever class name I have taken, with the same name I am saving the file. Yes, what is the class name? Test. With the same name I saved my file. So I can run this program by using command prompt. Okay, by using command prompt I am going to run the file. So in D drive I saved the file, right? That's why D drive. Sir, I am going to take Java C. So test.java, I am compiling the program. So Java C is the command which is used to compile your Java program. So Java space test, which is used to execute your Java program. Sir, anyway, I will explain these two commands minimum, sir, 4 to 5 programs. Okay, then you will get clarity. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Sir, now I want to implement a Python program. I want to implement a Python program. Sir, how you can take Python program? Same style, whatever we have taken in Java, the same style we have to take. So I'm going to save my Python program also with the same file name, java test.py. Yes, my file got saved. Sir, same command prompt we have to use to run your Python program also. Py space test.py I am taking. Once if you press enter, sir, there is no compilation process in Python. Automatically the code is going to execute. Okay, sir, at the beginning you may feel difficult, but once if you go into the remaining things, then happily you can able to learn. Okay, don't worry at all. I will give some starting from basics, starting from fundamentals I will explain. This is nothing but output functions which we have. Sir, what are the output functions? In C language, it is a printf. So C++, just for documentation purpose, I added, but in my course, we are not going to explain any program in C++, but I will give the option for you. You can implement in C++ also, if you are interested in C++. Okay. Then Java, Python. These three languages for every program I will take like this. Okay. This is nothing but how to execute a basic C program, Java program, and Python program to print a welcome message on the screen. Sir, don't worry. What is input functions? Sir, I want to accept the input from the user. Sir, how you can do that? That part I will take care. Don't worry at all. So this is nothing but just introduction about my course. So what I'm going to explain for you people. And one more thing, sir, I want to show you the previous batch running notes. Okay, so that you people will get clarity what things are going on. Sir, before that, yes, some doubts are coming from the screen. Please let me clarify those. 1 minute. So many doubts are there. 1 minute. Please let me clarify all your doubts. Yes, data structures we are going to cover, but not in detail. As a separate data structure, I'm not covering, sir. For example, you can see we are going to get one program. What is that program is balancing the parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis balancing. For example, if I'm giving a parenthesis like this, then it is a valid parenthesis. It is a valid parenthesis. My output should be true. Suppose if I'm taking like this, open bracket and closed bracket like this, it is a invalid parenthesis, so we need to get a false. So such a type of validation if you want to do, I hope you know very well, we need to use a stack data structure. In such a cases, I will explain what is a fundamental concept of stack, and then we will go into the program. Okay, but luckily in Java we have a predefined stack is there. Sir, even in Python we have list data structure is there. Using this we can develop, but if you take C program, then compulsory we have to implement this stack data structure by our own. But in Java, luckily we have stack concept. So even in Python we have list concept is there. Using that we can implement. So in such a case, compulsory I have to handle the data structure, right? So in such areas I will explain, but not complete data structures. Okay, the duration of the course is 6 months. No, no, no. The course duration is 2 months, but videos access will be given for you 6 months. But running notes lifetime validity. Many are not able to join your course. Why? Oh, login. Okay, unable to log in. Okay, no problem. There was some problems are there. Okay, today some go-to meeting. All these things are some disturbance is there. Don't worry. They can register and they can contact admin people. Sir, for registration, the only thing that you have to do is you need to contact admin people. Okay. Examples on string. Praveen Kumar is asking examples on string. I will show you one program, Praveen. Don't worry. I will show you one program. Just have a look once. So many programs are there on strings. Yes, you can able to see here. This is one program. Email validation. Sir, email name should start with alphabet and should followed by a number or underscore. Sir, it should contain either numbers or underscore, finally ends with gmail.com only. Then the given email id is valid, otherwise we have to return false. Here input is nothing but an email id which is a string, so it contains lowercase alphabets followed by underscore or digit, but not both. But if you are not taking these two, then we will get error. Sir, abc@gmail.com, it is false because alphabets are there, but after that a digit is not there. Sir, here one is there, that's why it is true. Sir, here underscore is there, that's why it is true. Sir, here one underscore both are there, sir, hence false. Both underscores are there, false. Sir, both digits are there, false. Sir, 8, yes, it is true. Sir, I'm taking @facebook.com, it is false. So for this, what is the logic, how it will be, I will explain clearly the logic by taking paint, and I will explain with the help of diagrams. Then how the program is implemented in C language. Okay, then sir, how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in C language. Then how the program is implemented in C language. Okay, then sir, how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Then how to implement the same program in Python language. Then how to implement the same program in Java language. Java. Okay, sir, how to implement the same program in Python? These things we are going to discuss. Okay, don't worry, everything we are going to get in detail. Okay, yeah. So first capital letter, implement a program to return the first capital letter in a string. So we are going to accept a string and we are going to return. Constraint is nothing but a non-empty string. We have to pass the first capital letter we need to return. Okay, suppose if the input is a hello, H is the first capital letter, so second E is the capital letter, sir, L is the capital letter, so H is the capital letter. Like this we need to do, sir. For that, this is the C implementation, this is nothing but the Java implementation, this is nothing but Python implementation. Sir, toggle case, implement a program to calculate a toggle case of each character string. Sir, like this completely everything we are going to get. Okay, don't worry at all. Okay, one time password, how you can generate one time password based on the requirement. Okay, then sum of prime numbers. Okay, yes, new year holiday discount. So like this n number of problems are there, war of numbers. Okay, n number of problems will be there, sir. All these things we are going to discuss. Perfect number. Okay, perfect number. So how a number is said to be perfect number? Then magic date, a program to read a date, month and year from the user and check whether it is a magic date or not. Sir, how you can check magic date? Here they have given the rules. If you multiply month and date, if you are getting a single digit number, sir, if it is present in the last date, I mean in the year, if it is present in the last digit, then it is magic date. So if you are getting two digit number, it should be present in last two digits of the year. If it is a three digit number, it should be present in the last three digits. Like this we are going to get. Okay, so such type of programs we are going to discuss. Okay, yeah, I know only C and Java, no problem. No problem, you can learn Python from my classes. At the moment of all these syntaxes, you can ask the doubt, I will explain that syntax. Sir, first few days the session will be very slow, so because the syntaxes, some small concepts, even some people don't know how to use if conditions also. Sir, once if you familiar with that, then the same syntaxes will be repeated till the end, right? So you will get confident, don't worry. Okay, yeah, Python is very easy, Surjana. Yeah, especially for you, Mulligan, for your kind of students it will be very useful. Yeah, this problem is there. Whatever you have whatever you have given, this problem is there. Yes, we are going to see the binary search also. Yeah, day to day recording session will be there. Everyone is unmuted, you can able to unmute and you can able to speak. Daily 1 hour for 2 months. Yes, no, complexity we are not going to cover, just we are going to concentrate only on programming area. Sir, here we have a huge database is there. So the programs which was asked in TCS, okay, InfyTQ problems, so TCS Ninja problems, okay, Wipro problems, okay, IBM problems, every problems we have huge database is there. From that we are going to cover all the problems will be covered. Sir, I will show you hacker rank link, then you will feel more comfortable and more interesting. Okay, don't worry, I will show you, please wait. Let me answer all your queries. Yeah, Rahul, you are always confused in the test cases. Yes, that's what the programming kick what we are going to discuss. Okay, I will explain few test cases and I will give a chance to you to run the program. Sir, you are going to get the private test cases, then you will get confidence. Yeah, Mulligan, really so many people are very happy with this course. Sir, do you know previous batch 120 members got joined? Okay, they are enjoying like anything. Yes, the coding which was asked in the Ninja, everything we are going to discuss. Yes, we will spend maximum time only to explain the logic. Once if the logic is very clear, then rest of the things will become dead easy. Viraj, if you know only Python, then you are the luckiest person, man. Why? Because Python code is very easy. Yeah, no problem, Tapish. Yes, algorithms we will cover. Pradeep, you give another mail ID.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, please wait 1 minute, sir. Let me clarify all these doubts and then I will ask you. Please wait, sir. Yeah, those who don't know anything about programming also, they can. Minimum knowledge. Yeah, you need to contact admin people for this course. Oh, Mulligan, very good. Your friend is working. Oh, excellent. Varchusa, okay, okay. He is my student. Very good. Yeah, I will discuss a program and a concept. First, I will explain the program. So then how to build the logic. Then how that logic implementation in C language. How you can implement the same logic in Java and Python parallelly. Yeah, Capgemini, Cognizant, everything we will cover. Yeah, definitely it will be useful. Yes. 1 minute, sir. Someone has spoke like, yeah, please. You can ask your query, sir, please.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm currently doing job, so it's difficult to attend live sessions. So
Okay.
I have posted one question in the chat box like, can you also upload running notes with recordings on that Google Drive?
Yes, sir. We will upload running notes and then video recordings on the daily basis. But running notes within fraction of seconds you can get it. For example, if class is ended at 8 or 8:15, then immediately we
Okay.
will upload the running notes.
Okay, on the same Google Drive, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hi, Prakash.
Yes. Yeah, sir. Hi.
I'm a 4 year experienced guy in Java. So will this course will be beneficial for me?
Yes, yes, of course, sir.
హలో
Yes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు కోర్సెస్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ గా చెప్తారా లేకపోతే ఓన్లీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ వరకే చెప్తారా సార్?
Only programming, Andy.
ఓన్లీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్, ఓకే సార్.
Yes, yes. This course is related
అంటే
to
ఇప్పుడు
only program.
ఓకే సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా లేదా?
Yes, 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 yes. We will explain the concept also.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes. Yeah, hi.
Sir, I want only Python program logic. Is it possible only for Python or
Yeah, while explaining the logic, please concentrate only on Python. That will be sufficient.
okay?
Okay. But anyway,
But
I will cover in one, but I will cover in 3 languages. You can concentrate only on Python.
okay. So what are the languages? C, Java, and Python.
Java
These
and
three.
Python. But you can solve the problems by using C, C++, Java and Python. That is your choice. We will give a
Okay.
hacker rank links. There you can solve.
Okay. So this session will be how many months?
2 months, 60 classes.
Including weekends or only weekdays?
Only weekdays from Monday to Friday,
At what time exactly?
7 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, let me show you a simple hacker rank link. Any other doubts?
కాస్ట్ ఎంత
Yes,
సార్
sir.
ఇది?
999.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah.
In the interview, they will
Yeah,
ask a
it's a
very
demo
lengthy
class.
question. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, in the interview or in the coding test, they will ask a lengthy questions, not like you one-line question. They will ask a lengthy questions, no, sir. That type of
Yes,
questions you will explain for us or
yes,
not?
yes, 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 yes. Definitely, we will explain such type of questions also. So because these are the starting programs, that's why you are going to see small, small codings. Okay, there are lengthy programs also there.
Okay, while using Python, Java, and C, three languages.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Can you show me sir, once?
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Yeah, so here it is not there, but programs will be there. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Sir, now let me show you the hacker rank link what we have. Okay. So this is nothing but the link which we are going to give. Yeah, you can practice. I am sharing this on our chat window also. Okay. So using this, you can enter into the contest, and whatever programs I am covering, it will be there here. Okay. So just for demo purpose, I have uploaded only 5 programs. Just you need to click on the challenge and you can solve this challenge. So problem statement will be there here
So it's
like
a
this.
free sign up,
So
right?
yeah, it's a free. So implement a program that takes a number as an argument, increment the value by 1 and return the result. So a number from the user, and there is no constraint for this. It is a basic program, an incremented value. Suppose here sample input is a 0, then you need to get output as a 1. If the input is a 4, you need to get output as a 5. Like this we have to do. Sir, here I have given an option in C, C++, Java and Python. So if you select C language, you have to write the code in C language. If you are selecting C++, you need to write the code in C++. If you are choosing Java, then you have to implement the program in Java. If you are selecting Python, then you have to implement the program in Python. And here the versions are Java latest version 15 and Python latest version we have imported. So this is nothing but like this challenges will be there. Okay, so even if you want, you can see the leaderboard positions also. Okay, this is nothing but the leaderboard positions what we have. Just it is a demo link. Okay, that's all. So the previous batch link I'm going to show you, just to have a look once. So this is nothing but the previous batch link what we have. So almost so how many programs are there? You can able to see 59 programs till now we discussed. So two strings A and B are called anagrams if they contains all the same characters in the same frequencies. Example like this: anagram Margana. These two are having same words. That's why true. So like this you need to implement. Similarly, so let me select any other program. So given a string, okay, so and an array indices of the same length, the string S will be shuffled such that the character at ith position will move to the index of I. So if you take here, so input is nothing but we have 3 characters are there, like A and then B and then C. So what is its actual positions? Its actual position is nothing but 0, 1, 2. So next they have given one more array also. Okay, sir, here array is there. What is the values of this array? It is nothing but sir 0, 1, 2. So that means you need to move this bit to the 0th position. Sir, it is already there in the 0th position. It is already there in the first position. It is already there in the second position. Suppose if they are asking like this, sir, 2, 1, 0, then sir in the second position which character is there, that should come here. Sir, in the first position which character is there, it should come here. So in the 0th position which character is there, we have to get here. This is nothing but the problem statement. So we need to implement the algorithm for these type of things. Okay, so like this we are going to discuss the problems in hacker rank. Okay, yeah. So this is nothing but about the session what we are going to plan. Okay, Sir, if you are having any queries, yes, you can ask. Immediately register the course by contacting our admin team. Okay, so they will help you for the links, all these things. Yes, now if you are having any queries, yes, you can ask. From the tomorrow we are going to start our programming. First program tomorrow we will start. Any queries, please? Yes, please confirm. Any queries?
Yeah, Prakash, approx how much problem you will discuss?
Sir, actually we have given in the title 300 plus programs, but maximum 400 to 500 programs we are going to cover.
Okay.
Sir, between this session, how much time we will get to clear the doubts?
Sir, probably after completion of every question I will ask you to post any queries, or you can unmute and you can speak for after completion of every program.
And sir, you said for this logic based programming we need a minimum knowledge. What if what if we don't have that much of knowledge as well?
Yeah,
Can
we will
we?
explain 1 or 2 times, don't worry.
Okay, okay.
So, but minimum knowledge must be required. Sir, if you don't know anything about C, then I can't explain, right? If you know at least some 10 to 20%, then remaining thing after my explanation you can able to get.
Got it. Okay.
So are you getting what I'm getting, what I'm telling?
Yeah,
Okay.
right. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Any other queries?
Prakash, please share the.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
please.
audible.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah,
You are audible.
yeah. My question is, are you giving the same time for all 3 languages? Like, for example, like if you are spending 5 minutes on C for particular problem, so same time you are going for Python and Java as well?
Sir, strictly speaking, it will take much time only for C language, sir. But when you are going for Java and Python, so many predefined libraries are there. With that, we can reduce the time. Suppose if I am explaining 5 minutes for C program, so almost 2 to 3 minutes is sufficient for Java. Matter of 1 minute is sufficient for Python.
Okay, means logic are same for every language.
Logic is the
Only
same.
10%.
Logic is very, very important. If you understood the logic, then program will become very easy.
Okay, okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, syllabus link is there in our website. You can cross check. If you want, I will share on our chat window. Please have a look once. Yes. So that's all about yeah, that's all about today's session. So we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow you have to use the same link for join. Okay. No. Tomorrow same link you have to use. Okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
My
please.
voice is audible now.
Yes, please.
सर मेरे को ना सर आई डो नॉट सर माय सी लैंग्वेज बैच इज रनिंग बाय किरण सर but
Okay.
some little knowledge I know regarding C because college teacher taught. Then I can handle this.
Yeah, you can handle. So how many programs? Maybe it is depending on Brahmendra. It will be depends on the situation. Initially, we will go with 3 to 4 programs. So if it is very difficult, sometimes one complete session is required to solve one problem. Such type of problems also we have. Okay. 40 minutes will take some problems. Some problems may take 10 minutes or 15 minutes like that. That will be depends. We can't constrain for that program. Okay. Yeah, core Python is more than enough, Chandu. Yes. So thank you. we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. You can leave the session now. Thank you, guys.